the work, and it shows. We're going to have an awesome opening night on August 1st. And I want to just say that, Roshane, I am so proud of how well you're doing.
Just try and
we're all proud of you because you're projecting and you're getting characterization. We're just happy to have you.
Yeah.
Happy to have it.
thank you. And you for the berridos,
Alright guys, we're still going to be
No.
I love her. Listen.
Oh, Christina. And just to say also, guys, that there is still a few more adjustments to be made.
I must admit though that when he said it, I wanted to learn her.
That was the line that I said.
What is it that you said? Because
what he did is he turned into us and said, "No, we're tired for some face."
Oh, I also want.
And then turns out and said, "Like you, big man."
Yeah, but think it a bit jarring. We'll make it go for say you.
Hey, plus they're rats. Did we tell you rats that they're not tired to see? Remember they're rats, you know.
I just want to thank everybody for the efforts today and the efforts up to today. I want to make a particular comment with Roshane because he was actually here a couple nights ago running through that motor scene about 15 times. It's going maybe I exaggerate. Maybe 8 times. Yeah? Over and over and over again. And this was some work that took place outside of the rehearsal. Why I say that is because what happened here, a lot of what happened, the additions did not come from anybody suggesting it to Roshane. We actually said to Roshane, dig in, find what's in there and bring it out. And, right? All the additions you saw were actually from Roshane. We just were there with him. We stood at the back and he worked it, right? So I really want to acknowledge you for that.
But if it wasn't for the cast members, especially Christina, was able to run and then Rodney for always believing that the character will come about.
But I will tell you.
And the wonderful cast and the director and producer and everybody, you know, y'all have been just...
You know?
I know, right? It just really hamped it up. I want to tell you something. A lot of people have not seen and understood the work he has done in one character.
Yeah.
It's almost like everybody doing an entire rehearsal.
Oh, yeah.
That's the kind of effort and energy he has put into it.
Say that now, listen to the camera.
Oh, gosh, I can't pay for it. I can't
No, I'm not pay for that. Remember on the bank, we can pay for it. A $240 US per word, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Roshane Berry.
Who was using it as a mic?
Roshane, they're not focusing in the rehearsal. They're not focusing. I was just doing this for the camera because I wanted to know that they're not always perfect.
Why are we taking so long?
Because we have full up.
Why are we taking so long?
Box cover, One berridos. This is why I've been busy. So, we don't want to play. It is going to be at the Phillip Sherlock Center right at UWI campus, and they're going to be there for 2 weekends only, August 1 to 3, and the 8 to the 10. So make sure